Every year, we've been taking shots at Valentine's Day and all its horrors. But last year, maybe we went too far. So we're calling for a truce. Five Star presents Restore Valentine's Day. As a peace offering, we're restoring Valentine's Day to the way it was meant to be celebrated and helping millions experience the original Valentine's Day according to research.
The Valentines we know began in the imagination of this woman. So to really do justice, we're studying her own life to formulate the perfect Valentine's Day, just like she'd have planned it. It turns out she stayed single her whole life. So while her customers spent a fortune, she spent every single Valentine's Day of her life doing nothing.
That means the only way to truly honor the day of love is to eat 5 Star. Do nothing.